Hello everyone, welcome to Chartered Forex channel. In this video, I want to talk about why it's beneficial for any person to learn about macroeconomics. Macroeconomics help us understand the world. If we want to know how the global economy works, if we want to assess and compare a country's economy, if we want to analyze and provide context for global economic change, if we want to examine and comprehend the economic policy, if we want to know the various agents and participate in the global economy, if we want to know the role of economic model sector, we need to know macroeconomics. Macroeconomics help us make better decisions. This knowledge can help us to inform better choice in both personal and professional lives. It can help us weigh pros and cons. With this knowledge, we know all aspects of economics that can be put into practice. With this knowledge, we may maximize economic success and prosperity. Mistakes and losses in economics that could have been caused by our lack of knowledge can be reduced. This knowledge helps us solve problems. Poverty, climate change, and etc. all have an impact on the economy. Learn how to use economic instruments is a key goal of macroeconomics. It encourages original thinking. It calls to find an innovative approach to solve all issues. It calls to evaluate and enhance our idea and challenge. It calls to simulate and forecast the outcome and impact of our activities. We have 5 reasons why the average people should study macroeconomics. Number 1, ability to think critically. Number 2, problem solving. Number 3, effective communication. Number 4, creativity. And number 5, working together.